Hey there, bike enthusiasts! Ever thought about turning your regular bicycle into a high-powered electric ride? Well, today we're diving into the 5 best e-bike conversion kits that can take your cycling experience to a whole new level. If you want to see updated prices and more details about these products, be sure to check the links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Bafang G20 Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Imagine transforming your regular bicycle into a powerful, smooth, and effortless electric ride without spending a fortune on a brand new e-bike. That's exactly what the Bafang G20 Electric Bike Conversion Kit is designed to do. You can take the bike you already love, whether it's your everyday commuter, your weekend mountain bike, or even that old bike sitting in your garage, and, in just a few hours, turn it into a high-performance electric machine. The first thing you'll notice after installation is how effortlessly it rides. The 48-volt 500-watt brushless geared motor delivers stable, quiet, and responsive power exactly when you need it. Whether you're climbing steep hills, battling headwinds, or gliding through city streets, the assist feels natural, like your legs suddenly got stronger. It's not just about raw speed, even though it can easily reach 38 to 40 kilometers per hour. It's about comfort, control, and balance. The rear drive motor provides excellent traction and stability, ensuring every ride feels smooth and secure. With over 80% efficiency, the system maximizes range and minimizes battery strain, giving you more distance per charge. You can choose between front or rear hub motor options. The front motor, part of Bafang's HF series, is lightweight and ideal for road or city bikes. It adds a perfect boost for daily commuting without adding bulk. The rear motor, from the HR series, offers advanced performance with its automatic dual-speed system, which intelligently adjusts the gear ratio based on your speed. You don't need to shift manually; it automatically provides more torque for hills or more speed on flats. This motor also delivers an impressive 65 Nm of torque, powerful enough to handle steep climbs or heavier loads with ease. Bafang includes everything you need in the box: the motor, controller, thumb throttle, brake sensors, pedal assist sensor, all necessary cables, and even a bonus LED headlight. You can also upgrade with a Bafang LCD display to monitor your speed, range, and assist levels in real time. The kit is compatible with most standard bikes' 20 to 29-inch or 700c wheels, with rear dropout widths of 135 to 142 mm and a front dropout width of 100 mm. What truly sets the Bafang G20 apart is its value. You're not just buying an electric motor, you're reviving your existing bike. You're turning everyday rides into effortless adventures, saving money, energy, and time while keeping the familiar comfort of your own bicycle. For commuters, it means freedom from traffic. For casual riders, it's pure fun. And for DIY enthusiasts, it's one of the most satisfying upgrades you can make. The Bafang G20 Electric Bike Conversion Kit isn't just an accessory, it's a complete transformation. Once you experience it, you'll wonder how you ever rode without it. Number 4. Varstrom TSDZ8 e-bike kit. The first thing you'll notice about the Varstrom TSDZ8 e-bike kit, or its close sibling, the Tongxing TSDZ2B, is how naturally it transforms your bike into something alive. You're not just adding power, you're adding a whole new experience. Imagine this: you're on your regular bike route, maybe heading to work or cruising through a quiet trail. Normally, there's that moment when your legs start to burn, the climb starts to feel endless, but with the TSDZ8, that moment never comes. Instead, as you start pedaling, the bike instantly responds. It feels like someone is gently pushing you forward, not too much, not too little, just perfectly matching your effort. That's the magic of its torque sensor technology. Unlike cheaper cadence-based motors that simply kick in, this system actually senses how hard you're pedaling and adjusts the power accordingly. So when you push harder, it pushes with you. When you relax, it eases off. It feels organic, like you're stronger, not like a machine is taking over. And what's really impressive? It's quiet, unbelievably quiet. The TSDZ8 was designed to minimize motor noise, so you can actually hear the world around you: the wind, the tires on the road, the birds if you're riding trails. No annoying whirring sound following you everywhere. Just smooth, silent power. Now, let's talk about the design. One thing riders love is that it's easy to install. It fits most bikes with a 68 to 73mm bottom bracket, which means whether you've got a mountain bike, road bike, or city cruiser, there's a good chance it'll fit perfectly. It's truly plug and play, a straightforward upgrade that doesn't require a workshop or expensive tools. Tongxing also made a smart change to the internal mechanics. They replaced the old one-way bearing with an all-in-one nylon gear and bidirectional freewheeling clutch. In simple terms, it's stronger, smoother, and more durable. And if your battery ever runs out, you can still ride your bike like normal, no heavy motor drag slowing you down. That's a big deal for anyone who's ever been stranded mid-ride with a dead battery. Speaking of batteries, you get real options here. From 36V to 48V or even 52V, these Greenergy lithium batteries are designed to be lightweight, long-lasting, and fast-charging. Whether you prefer a sleek down-tube style or a rear rack mount, there's a setup for your riding needs. And it's not just about power, it's about reliability. These batteries are engineered to go the distance, so you can focus on the ride, not the range anxiety. And then there's the display. This is where the personality of your e-bike really shines. You can choose from 3 options. The DS40, which is compact, simple, and cost-effective. The SW258, which gives you a large, bright 3.8-inch screen perfect for quick glances on the go. Or if you want to go high-tech, the EKD1 with built-in Bluetooth and navigation. You can sync your phone, track your rides, get directions, and even switch between multiple languages. It's like giving your e-bike its own smart dashboard. And finally, Varstrom has upgraded all the motor wiring and connectors. No cheap shortcuts here. The older bullet connectors are gone. Now you get XT60 connectors and a 1T4 EB bus cable, making it not only easier to install but also more waterproof and more reliable. This means you can ride through rain or mud without worrying about short circuits or corrosion. It's built to last, built for real riders, not just weekend tinkerers. So why should you buy the Varstrom TSDZ8 or TSDZ2B? Because it's not just another e-bike kit. It's a system that gives you power when you need it, freedom when you want it, and the confidence to ride farther than ever before. It feels natural, looks clean, and works beautifully, turning any ordinary bike into something extraordinary. Number 3. Varstrom 125X VH Hub Rear Motor. The first thing you'll notice when you see the Varstrom 125X VH Hub Motor Kit is that it looks serious, like it was built for riders who don't mess around. But once you actually take it out on the road, that's when you realize just how much thought went into this thing. You know how some e-bike kits feel like a boost, but others feel like a complete transformation? This one is the latter. The Varstrom 125X VH isn't just about making your bike electric, it's about giving it a new personality. A stronger, faster, and more efficient one. This motor is available in 500W and 750W versions, and honestly, both pack more punch than you'd expect. You're looking at up to 80 Nm of torque, which means hills that used to feel like punishment now feel like nothing. I've tested it up steep climbs and city streets, and it just keeps pulling, smooth and steady. And here's something I really appreciate: it's efficient. Over 80% efficiency, which means you're not wasting energy or battery life. That translates into longer rides, more deliveries, or just more fun before you even think about recharging. What really impressed me, though, is how quiet it runs. Inside, Varstrom has swapped the typical straight-cut gears for helical nylon gears, which means less noise and much longer life. These gears are smoother, tougher, and just smarter. You can feel it in the ride. The motor doesn't whine or grind. It hums, quietly doing its job. And that IPX5 waterproof rating? It's a lifesaver for anyone who rides year-round. You can confidently roll through rain, puddles, and wet roads without worrying about damaging your investment. They even sealed the bearings and improved the connectors, so it stays protected inside and out. Now, let's talk about something that a lot of DIY e-bike kits get wrong: installation. The Varstrom team clearly gets that not everyone is a bike mechanic. Every connector in this kit is color-coded, and the hub fits straight into your dropouts like it was made for your bike. I've seen people install this whole setup in under an hour, literally plug and play. And if you're in Europe or the UK, you'll love this. It has a quick switch mode that lets you lock it at 25 km/h for street legality. Just hold 2 buttons, and you're instantly compliant. But when you're off-road or on private land? Unlock full power and feel the full 60 km/h potential. Here's what's inside the box. You're getting the motor already laced into your chosen wheel size, a controller, throttle, brake sensors, PAS sensor, display, and even a headlight and controller box as a gift. Everything you need to turn your old bike into something way more exciting. And honestly, the community feedback says it all. One rider from Berlin said, "I use this for food delivery 100 kilometers daily, and no issues." Another from Colorado wrote, "Installed in 45 minutes. The torque is insane for hills." You can tell this isn't just for hobby riders, it's for people who ride every day, who rely on their bikes to perform. That's the thing about the Varstrom 125X VH, it doesn't just add power. It adds confidence. You can ride harder, longer, and smarter, knowing the system won't let you down. If you've been thinking about converting your regular bike into an e-bike, and you want something that's durable, efficient, and genuinely fun to ride, the Varstrom 125X VH Hub Motor Kit is absolutely worth it. It's not just a motor, it's a whole new riding experience waiting to happen. Number 2. Bafang M615 BBS03 e-bike kit. This motor isn't just about speed though. Yes, it'll push you past 30 miles per hour without even breaking a sweat. What really stands out is the torque. With up to 160 Newton meters of power, this motor doesn't just help you climb hills, it pulls you up them like it's nothing. You'll feel it when you're tackling steep trails or pushing through headwinds. It's the kind of performance that makes you grin every time you twist the throttle or pedal harder. And here's what I love, it doesn't matter what kind of bike you have. Whether it's a mountain bike, a fat tire beast, a road bike, or your everyday commuter, the BBS03 kit fits most standard frames with a 68 to 73 mm bottom bracket. And if you've got a wider setup, 100 mm or 120 mm, you can simply ask for the right version. It's made to fit you, not the other way around. Installing it is surprisingly simple. You don't need to be a professional mechanic. With the included installation video and all the parts neatly packed from the motor and chainring to the display, throttle, crank arms, speed sensor, and even optional battery, it's a satisfying DIY project you can complete in an afternoon. By the time you're done, you'll be proud knowing you built your own e-bike. Once it's installed, you get 3 modes of freedom. There's full e-bike mode when you just want to cruise effortlessly. Pedal assist mode when you want to feel that perfect balance between power and your own effort. And manual mode when you just want to pedal old school. It's like having 3 bikes in one. Now, here's where Bafang really shines. Because this is a mid-drive motor, the power runs through your bike's chain, not the wheels like most hub motors. That means better climbing, better balance, and far more natural control. You're not just riding faster, you're riding smarter. The motor sits low and central, right at your bike's center of gravity, giving you that stable, confident feel whether you're gliding through city streets or shredding a mountain trail. And because it's engineered to share power through the drivetrain, it actually reduces wear and tear on your wheels. So you're not just buying performance, you're buying durability. Bafang didn't stop there. Safety got some love too. The electric brake levers and sensors are designed to instantly cut power the second you pull the brake, ensuring total control and preventing unwanted surges. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference, especially when you're moving fast. Plus, they even throw in some thoughtful extras: a headlight or taillight, 250-watt stickers if you need to stay discreet, and all the install accessories you'll need. When you take that first ride, you'll understand why riders around the world swear by the Bafang BBS HD, also known as the M615. It's not just an upgrade. It's freedom. It's adventure. It's the feeling of having power exactly when you need it, smooth, controlled, and ready to go. Whether you're commuting, exploring mountain trails, or just want to make every ride more exciting, this kit transforms the experience. You're not just buying an electric motor, you're unlocking the full potential of the bike you already love. Number 1. AJOOSOS iMortor Ebike Conversion Kit. First thing, imagine this: you're grabbing your bike, ready to head out for a weekend ride, or maybe just commuting to work, and suddenly you feel like the wind is on your side. You twist the throttle, and the world around you seems to slow down just enough for you to feel every little bump, every turn, every breeze. That's the magic of the iMortor 3.0. This isn't just any electric bike kit, it's a complete front-wheel conversion that turns your regular bike into a powerful, smart e-bike in under a minute. Seriously, all you have to do is swap out your front wheel, and just like that, your ride becomes smoother, faster, and more exciting. Powered by a 350-watt brushless motor, the iMortor 3.0 can take you up to 40 kilometers in pure electric mode. And if you switch to moped mode, you're looking at a whopping 50 to 60 kilometers. That means longer rides, fewer worries about battery life, and more time just enjoying the road. And yes, it can hit speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Imagine cruising past traffic, feeling completely in control, while everyone else is stuck in their slow commute. But it's not just speed. The iMortor 3.0 is designed to feel intuitive. It's completely app-based, no confusing displays, no extra sensors, no clutter. You can monitor your wheel, adjust your speed, and even check your total mileage right from your phone. It's like your bike is suddenly smarter than you thought possible. The battery is removable too, which is a game changer. Charge it separately, have a spare ready for longer trips, or just pop it off when you get home. And the kit comes with a handy cell phone holder with a USB port so your phone charges while you ride, keeping your navigation, music, or calls alive on the go. Installation is absurdly simple. The motor, battery, and controller are all integrated into the front wheel. That's right, no complicated wiring, no endless setup. Just one wheel, one click, and you're ready to roll. It's also versatile. It fits 20, 24, 26, 27.5, 29, and 700cc wheels, and works with mountain bikes, road bikes, city bikes, almost any bike you already own. And it's built strong, max load of 180 kilograms, durable rubber tires, and aluminum alloy hub. This isn't some flimsy gadget, it's engineered to last. So why should you consider the iMortor 3.0? Because it turns your everyday ride into an adventure. It gives you freedom, speed, and control without the hassle of buying a whole new e-bike. It's convenient, powerful, and frankly a little bit magical. Imagine your weekend rides becoming effortless journeys, your commute turning into a thrill, your friends asking, "Wait, how are you going so fast?" And you just smile, twist the throttle, and feel the wind at your back. That's what the iMortor 3.0 gives you: freedom, power, and a little extra joy in every ride. So, there you have it, 5 incredible e-bike conversion kits that can turn any bicycle into a powerhouse. Whether you want speed, torque, or long-range commuting, there's a kit for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more e-bike reviews and tips. Which kit would you choose for your bike? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.